Okay, good morning, Year 6. Miss Marisol is back. Okay, our lesson for today is all about multiplying decimal numbers. So, our learning objectives, multiply decimal numbers by whole number, and apply your knowledge of multiplying decimal numbers by solving word problems. Okay, how we are going to multiply decimal number? So, to multiply a decimal number by a whole number, it is like multiplying. It is the same way as we multiply whole numbers. Example, if I have Mira buys 6 sneakers for 1 dinars and 200 fils each, how much did she pay? Okay, so we have to put 1 dinar 200 fils times 6. So we are going to multiply in the normal way in multiplying whole number. So 0 times 6 is 0. 0 times 6 is 0 again. 6 times 2 is 12, carry 1. And 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Now, this time you have to count. You have to count from right here. Let's count 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 digits after the decimal point. So now we will count from the right to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is how you're going to multiply decimal. So always count from the right to the left, okay? And it depends on how many decimal places you have in our given number. Okay. Another example. Mr. Saleh sold 4 hard sacks of rice, cost 28.75 pounds. Okay? Each. How much his total sales? So now let's see. This is multiplication. Even though you have the word total, it is multiplication because the given here is for 1 sack and he bought 4. So that's why we need to multiply. So let's solve. So this is 28.75. Okay, times 4. So start from here as normal multiplication. 4 times 5 is 20. Carry 2. 4 times 7 is 28 plus 2 is 30. Carry 3. 4 times 8 is 32 plus 3 is 35. Carry 3. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11. Now let's count how many decimal places. 1 and 2. So there are 2 digits after the decimal point. Then we will count also here 1 and 2. So the answer is 115 pounds. All right? Okay. Let's go to the next example. Now, so we have here, let's answer together. So can you try it by yourself and then we will answer together. You can pause your video. Okay, check your answer. So 0.23 times 5. So we can do 0.23 times 5. Okay, so 3 times 5 is 15. Carry 1. 5 times 2 is 10. 11. Carry 1. 5 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. So now let's count 1, 2. So the answer is 1.15. I hope you have done correctly. Now let's answer letter B. 2.4 times 6. So 6 times 4 is 24. Carry 2. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. Now how many decimal place? 1. So the answer is 14.4. Okay? Now let's do in letter C. What is the answer of letter C? 28.52 times 3. So this is 6. 3 times 5, 15. Carry 1. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 1 is 25. Carry 2. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. So we have 1, 2. So there are 2 digits after the decimal point. Therefore, we will count from the right to the left 2 times also. 1 and 2. So the decimal is here. So the answer of letter C is 85.56. I hope you have done correctly year 6 now. Let's do the other one. 18, question 2. Check your answers, please. 18.8 times 8. Okay, so 8 times 8 is 64. So 8 times 8 is 64 plus 6 is 70. Carry 7. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 7 is 15. So, and let's write it here, the bigger number. A bigger number. Okay, so we have only 1. That's why I put the decimal there. Okay, it is very easy. Okay. Okay, I want you to answer your math booklet, page 91. Okay, question 1, page 92. I want you to do all page 91, 92, 93. Okay, so you can solve it, pause your video, and answer. You can submit this anyway. So remember how we are going to multiply. So you can multiply it normally. 3 times 2 is 6. How many decimal places? 1 and 0. Okay. 0.2 times 4. 4 times 2 is 8. We have 1 decimal place before the digit. Okay. Next one is 0.62 times 5. So you can do, if you cannot do like what I'm doing, you can just work it out like this. Times 5. Okay, so 2 times 5 is 10. Carry 1. 31. Carry 3. 0 times 5 is 0 plus 3 is 3. And how many decimal places do we have? 2. Okay, so I hope you understand how to do it. You can solve this one. This will be 5. This is 15. 5, 3 times 5 is 5. 15, I mean. How many decimal places? 2. So the answer is 1.55. Now next, 1.8 times 6. This is 48. Carry 4. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 4 is 10. How many decimal places we have? 1. So 1. Okay, because we have 1. Okay, now I want you to solve this one by yourself. Pause your video. 0.5 times 8. So this is 0.5 times 8. So 5 times 8 is 40. We have only 1. So 1. The answer is 4.0 or 4. Okay, let's do this one. 9 times 6 is 54. How many digits? We have 1. So the answer is 5.4. They are both correct. 5.4 and 5.40 is the same as 5.4. Okay, so this is all for now. Please answer the math booklet 91, 92, and 93, and you can upload your answers um, in your Google Drive. By year 6, I hope you understand how to multiply decimal. See you tomorrow.